On any road trip, the GPS shows you the way. But the real discoveries are yours to make. Our first amazing discovery is Książ Castle. Standing proud like a giant on the hill, this pink fortress is one of the biggest castles in Poland. Each room up here is different. Some are small and cozy. Some are extraordinary, with beautiful old furniture and treasures from all over the world. But the real treasure is this breathtaking golden hall. Are you ready for something even bigger? We are chasing our next giant into Czech Republic. The road winds through beautiful forests and hills until we reach massive rock formations, Adrspach Rock City. What looks like a city of stone was actually shaped by wind and water over millions of years. And then, surprise! A hidden lake appears between the rocks. Let's hop on a boat and see the giants from the water itself. Back on foot, these giants feel even more massive, stretching up into the sky. Some spots make you feel tiny, like you are walking through an ancient city built by nature itself. This is how our real discoveries look.